Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra phones have always brought some kind of upgrade over the outgoing model, whether it's slightly better cameras, a refined design, or improved performance. But with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it feels like we're getting more than just the usual. Alongside a fresh new design, Samsung is introducing a number of hardware upgrades both on the outside and inside, and Ice Universe has just shared some of these upgrades. As per his latest post, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might get a dramatically thinner and lighter design. We're talking around 7mm thick and a few grams shaved off the weight as well. It's said to be slightly taller and wider, but interestingly, keeping the same 6.9-inch display size. So does this mean thicker bezels? Well, it's hard to say at the moment, but Samsung hasn't really backtracked on slim bezels in recent years, so we're hoping that trend continues. Still on the display, the leak mentions two major upgrades, a COE depolarizer tech and a third-generation anti-reflective glass. While the COE tech is still a bit of a mystery, that new anti-reflective layer should drastically reduce glare, meaning your screen stays sharp and vibrant even under direct sunlight. Moving on to the cameras, Ice Universe reports that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will rock a brand new ISOCELL HP 2 main sensor, which includes an ultra-large aperture for better low-light shots. Plus, we're also getting a brand new 3x telephoto camera and an upgraded 5x periscope lens, also with larger aperture, translating to better low-light performance and crisper zoomed-in shots. And finally, after years of fans begging Samsung might finally bring faster charging to the Ultra line. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to keep the 5000 mAh battery as usual, but will now support 60 watts fast charging, a much-needed step up from the 45 watts we've had for years, basically since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Interestingly, previous leak from a different tipster suggested slightly bigger battery, which seemed plausible considering we're also getting faster charging speed. Anyway, under the hood, Samsung will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy, but is also testing its in-house Exynos 2600. All in all, this is shaping up to be one of Samsung's biggest Ultra upgrades in years. But remember, it's still early days, and things could change before the official launch, which is why you should subscribe to the channel for daily Samsung news and update. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.